If you were about to design an ideal residential zone with a lot of green areas and a high quality of living, I think sooner or later you would need to come up with something like a Vinohrady. Why do I think so? Well, let me show you the Prague's most amazing residential zone. In medieval ages, these hills were covered up by vineyards. However, as Prague in 19th century was rapidly expanding, right in front of the former city walls flourished new, wealthy settlement which attracted newcomers like no other city in our country. Why? Just look around. Wide streets lined up with trees, breathtaking architecture and several large parks. Living in Vinohrady was good. As faith played a key role in everyday's life, the main square of Vinohrady needed a representative church. And that's why famous architect Josef Mokr designed this beautiful neo-Gothic church of Saint Ludmilla. And where would people go to have fun? Into one of the most beautiful theaters of Prague, which was finished in the year 1907. As you can see, its beauty attracts film producers from all around the world until this day. By the way, the statues set it up represent truth and bravery. And we shouldn't forget a place where people could get some groceries. That's why in year 1903 they've built Vinohrady Market Hall. Believe it or not, but already in that time it actually had its own air conditioning. The market hall was almost completely destroyed in a large fire in year 1986, but thankfully, due to extensive renovation, it was saved from the demolition. Vinohrady are packed with amazing restaurants, cafes, bars, parks, and we'll definitely share a lot of tips with you in the bonus chapter, links below the video. But of course I want to show you a few of my personal favorites. And the first one is Dos Mundos. Dos Mundos is a roastery which opened up about 5 years ago. They roast their own delicious coffee, and if you're lucky enough, a couple times a week, you can actually watch the roasting process live. My favorite breakfast bistro you can find in Vinohrady is Marthy's Kitchen. They offer amazing all-day breakfast, and my favorite one are actually their pancakes. Now we are after this amazing park called Grebovka. Grebovka was originally founded at the end of 19th century by Moritz Gröbe, who had it as his own private residence. But in the beginning of 20th century, Vinohrady City Council purchased it and opened it to the public. Nowadays, the main villa can be rented for private events, you can visit a nearby restaurant, or you can check out an amazing vineyard situated directly underneath. My favorite part of the garden is this beautiful wooden pavilion. In the hot summer days, you can sit down, have a glass of wine from this vineyard, and for a while forget you're actually in the big city. So I hope you enjoyed our journey around Vinohrady and it sparkled your interest to explore this quarter a little bit deeper. If you have your own favorite spots, let us know in the comments below, and stay tuned for more up-and-coming videos about Prague. So until next time, see ya!